Imagine trying to build Instagram, but you can't store usernames, you can't hold on to passwords, and you can't track likes. Every time a user opens the app, the interface is completely blank. To solve that, we use variables. In Python, a variable is simply a dedicated space in the computer's memory. It is a system designed to hold on to a specific piece of information so the program can use it later. Without variables, software literally cannot remember anything. They are the absolute first requirement for writing any functioning code. This abstract memory becomes easy to understand if you think of a variable as a physical storage box. To save a user's name, we create a box, slap a label on it that says name, and place the text Rahul safely inside. Because we gave that specific piece of data a clear label, we can now ask the computer to retrieve Rahul at any point in our program. To build that box in code, we write name equals Rahul. But this equal sign trips up most beginners. In math class, equals means identical. In Python, it is an action. It moves in one specific direction, from right to left. We call this the assignment operator. It gives the direct command, take the item on the right and push it into the container on the left. If you train yourself to read code right to left whenever you see that symbol, you will always know exactly where your data is going. We have our data safely packed away in memory, but if it stays hidden inside that abstract box, it doesn't actually help the user. To see what is inside, we use the print command. When we write print and put our variable name inside the parentheses, the computer reaches into that box, grabs the stored value, and displays it directly on our screen. The print command is your direct line of communication. It pulls invisible data out of the machine's internal memory and places it right in front of you. This chart shows how Python treats data. Notice that text needs quotation marks, while raw numbers do not. If you try to store text without quotes, the program will crash. You also must be careful labeling boxes. If you leave a blank space in a variable name, the computer gets confused. And starting a variable name with a number triggers an immediate error. The safe route is lowercase letters and underscores. Every single programmer makes these exact syntax errors on their first day. Computers demand rigid instructions, and practicing these naming rules is how you learn to speak their language. Let's put this into practice. Take 3 seconds and visualize the exact line of code to store your dream college in a variable. You need a label on the left, an assignment operator in the middle, and your text wrapped in quotes on the right. College equals, quote, IIT. If you got that right, you successfully assigned computer memory. You are actively architecting code. Now we stack these commands to build a complete program. We store a name, track an age, log a college, and set a career goal. With our data filed away, we print each variable sequentially, and our raw code transforms into a readable student profile. This is the logic of variables. They are storage boxes. You assign data from right to left, keep spaces out of your names, and always put quotes around your text. By mastering these simple containers, you have the tools to hold any piece of data a user gives you. In the next video, we'll look at exactly